These will be your bloopers.
This is your time to shine.
Okay, go.
Bloopers. Okay, ready? Hey guys, my name is Leslie. I feel like we have to start all. Okay, let's start all over. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
I feel so
Ready?
bad.
Okay. 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
1, 3.
Just getting over.
Okay, ready? Hi guys, my name is Leslie. Her name is,
Araceli.
and his name is,
Jordan.
and those two are in love. Stop it! You see what I'm talking about? I have to deal with this every day. Almost. I said stop it. Okay, so today we're going to be making... Hi guys, my name is Leslie. This is...
Araceli.
And this is...
Jordan.
Those two are in love with each other.
We're in love
Yeah,
with each
we're
other.
lovers.
Very in love.
Okay, stop it! No! We're recording! No!
Okay.
Come closer! Ow!
Close.
Yeah, go like... Oh. So we need 1 cup of borax.
No, wait. You need a measuring cup. Not like a cup like that, right?
Yeah, I know, but that's all we have.
Oh.
That's all we have, babe. We're poor.
No. Wait, we can't put this in the video.
Wait, where's number 2?
Just 1 cup. You're looking...
I think this isn't too much
Oh.
borax.
Too much?
It's only 1 cup. You put 2 cups.
You said 2!
You
said
said
one
one.
cup.
No,
She
she
said
I
one.
said- I
She
said
just said one
one.
so many times.
She must have been so weirded out when I kept pouring.
Did you not
No,
hear her?
I was like...
She kept
She
trying to
said,
tell you.
she said 2. I'm like, 1 cup.
Pour the borax in the plate.
The bowl.
I'm the host of this video.
You lost the glue.
So we need 2 cups of glue.
No, Leslie, I think you're gonna need more. For sure. Where's
I'm
your other
telling
glue?
you, I
Leslie,
think
you
you-
bought 2 glues. Where is your other one?
The other one.
Oh my god, don't tell me you wasted it.
Whatever.
We should have just dumped all that glue in here then.
You're so right. What are we measuring it? That's all we have.
We need some water, right?
We need
Water.
Water.
food coloring.
Water.
Food
Water.
coloring.
Water. Should we do green? Because it'll be like green slime.
We can make multiple. We can divide them into 2 different cups. Sorry.
I'm so sorry.
She makes too hard.
Just over there, backstage. Woohoo.
Put a decent amount because we gotta make up for no glue.
Maybe slime. Let's just try the other way. Because the other way is
We don't have glue anymore.
Oh my god!
Leslie, you lost the other one.
Okay.
First of all, it must
I mean,
be
it's
somewhere in
getting
here.
slimy. Just keep it in the water.
Wait, I'm making the slime here. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Hi.
Hey.
Now this time we need 2
2 cups
cups.
of glue?
This time we need put a stat. Sort A, so number 2. Yeah. And then you do, what list do you want it to be numbered?
List 1.
Okay, then just do list 1. Enter.
Guys, you can kiss or whatever, just tell me. Oh, only that one time. No more. Can you give me napkins?
Yeah. Here, you want me to? Yeah, I got it. Babe. Look.
Okay.
You're so mean. I asked him for napkins and he gave me toilet paper. Thank you. I asked for napkins, he gave me toilet paper.
When you try to add,
No.
feel it.
I don't know.
Please.
We didn't make it right though.
But you said that you would feel it, so
Yeah.
She's super excited.
It feels like it's like so
Because look at the borax.
Yeah, no more. No, not enough. Glue. We could have divided the recipe to fit our.
Yeah. But she just wanted to start.
But
She was too anxious to start the video.
Yeah. That's okay though, because you know what?
It's salt soup now.
We had
Yeah, we
fun.
had salt soup.
You're like barely giving me some.
Yeah, because I'm his number one girl.
But I'm smaller than you. There you go. How to make slime with, what is it called? Shape.
According to Lisa.
How to make slime with shape. I'm gonna add some sparkles.
Pretty pink sparkles.
1, 2, 3, 4,
The
5.
best color. Oh, that's such a cutie color.
Some more sparkles. The sparkles are fading.
Look at you.
You all your
You're like
glitter.
glitter.
So should we mix it?
Yeah.
1, 2,
2,
3.
Oh!
Yo, this is so
So
cool.
cool. This is so
That's
cool.
the coolest
yo.
thing.
Yo. Jordan. Charlie. Jordan sleeping while I DIY. Kobe. Oh. I'll show you.
Let's see. The thing's still on.
Oh wow. On the thing. That is so weird.
Soapy.
That was my
I like it.
fault. I'm like making it. Oh, yeah, it's a bubble.
After we refrigerate. Okay, wait, here. Lizzie,
We have to refrigerate this?
Yeah, 15 minutes. 15
Oh.
hours, I mean. I'm just getting minutes.
I was like, oh jeez, Rick.
If you
Wait,
want,
look.
you should subscribe to my sis Dixie now.
when both of you guys will have the responsibility. Like,
Come.
it went on my hair, but whoa, it didn't wet my hair at all. It just rolled down. Look. Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, stop. Sorry, we're bad at thing stuff. Just
Next
gonna look
video, face mask.
up. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait,